Welcome to FX, your place to learn about forex trading, get easy tips and strategies to help you succeed. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos. So today, let's dive into our weekly analysis here at FX. I will break down the latest trends and potential opportunities in the forex market for the week ahead. Stay tuned for valuable insights, information, and trading decisions. So here today we're going to be treating three different pairs: USD CAD, GBPUSD, and EUR/USD. So with me here is USD CAD. So I'm going to starting with USD CAD, though I've had some analysis on it before. So I'm going to be going through it again. So this is the monthly time frame. So I'm going to share my ideas with you on this pair about my previous trade and how it's going to be for next week. So we're going to do a weekly forecast now. Thanks for tuning in. All right, let's go. So on daily time frame, you can see I'm currently on a trade right now. Let me go to the H1 time frame for you to see. I'm currently on a trade. So the reason behind this trade was the market was just a simple technicals. Okay, I had this trend line here. This trend line that the market has been reacting according to the trend line. Okay, the price action has been great with the trend line. You can see we have its first touch here, we have second touch, fourth touch, fifth touch, sixth touch, and here the seventh touch. So what I just did was react off the many touches on the line. So that's it. So the touch here, and touch. So most of this week here are mostly fake outs. Some other people might draw their trend line like this, though it's also pretty good too, but based on how I trade, I have to just respect it, like draw it the way it's supposed to be, because if you go back to the past, you can see that this two is the most significant of the trend line, the first touch and the second touch. That's why I had to respect it here until I'm proven otherwise. So as you can see, I'm having this. I took this buy on Friday before the market closed. So I'm expecting it to get back to this trend line before I go short on the pair. So currently I'm expecting a retracement before continuing the buy. So if I take my trend line, my Fibonacci 2, and place it at the top, consider I'm expecting a drop, probably my retrace down to the entry point before buying. That's one of the ideas I have. Or I could still draw the trend line from here to see. It could be a possibility of market dropping from this level. So that's it, guys. So on my subsequent video, I'm going to share my Fibonacci settings and how I use my Fibonacci to catch perfect entries in the market and have good executions in the market. It really works, trust me. As you can see, my Fibonacci is customized. As you can see, it has different colors. You can see this red. The red is probably where I execute my market. So once the market goes up and retraces back to 61.8 fib level, that's where I take my action from. So this is my most trusted market level. So let us not go into that deeper. So I'm expecting the market to retrace, or probably when the market opens on Monday, to buy to the upside or drop. So that's it, guys. Let's move to the second pair. There's not much about USD CAD. So if you missed my previous analysis, go back to my previous video, check out my previous video on FX, and check out our previous videos to get more insight on how we trade. So let's go down to the next pair. So our next pair is going to be EUR/USD. So before I go, let's go down to the monthly time frame. Before I analyze, let's go back to the monthly time frame so that we can dissect the pair together. So what we do here, we do it together. So as you can see, I think the EUR/USD is currently forming an umbrella to me. An umbrella. What I mean by umbrella is like this. I'm going to go all the way up and come back down to this point. As you can see, It's creating an umbrella for me. This is an umbrella going towards down. This is just the overall view of the pair, which shows that USD is going to be stronger overall. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see if we can get a trend. So let's see if we can get a trend. As you can see, we can see this beautiful downtrend here. So what we're going to do is take up our trend line too. Let's look for the resistance trend line. This is resistance trend line. So we work on multiple touches. You have first touch, second touch, third touch, and fourth touch. You need a breakout and a fake breakout here. You can see the market is respecting this trend line. So let's get the support trend line. Good. So everything is nice now. So we have this. At least we have a channel whereby we can base our decision on. So let's go to the daily time frame to see if we can get a trend line inside the trend line. So though we're expecting sales from the market now, so I spotted another trend line. So we're going to pick the next trend line on the first touch inside the big trend we drew. As you can see, cater for multiple touches. Multiple touches is what we cater for. So we have a first touch, second touch. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see the market clearer. So you're going to strategy I'm using is called trends in trends. Click on that trend line again. Cater for more touches, as you can see. Cater for more touches here. You can see market expects 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. As you can see, it shows that the trend line is very, very valid. So that's how the market works. It creates lower low, and respects trend line. So that's it, guys. You can see the market is neatly looking bearish and ready for buys. Market is actually looking bearish and ready for buys. So I think for next week, I think we're anticipating sales for the Euro USD. You can see I have different confirmations. You can see. So if we dive in, if we zoom out, you can see that the market is actually starting to drop. We're going to be expecting drops in the market, sales on the Euro USD. So down to this level. So when it gets here, that's when we start looking for under bias or under direction. So I hope you understand this analysis. If you don't, please drop your comment section. I might revisit it again and teach the strategy here. We don't hide anything here. We just bring you simple trading strategy and daily updates about the forex market to make your decisions very, very well and accurate. So that's it, guys. So if you are going to look for yourselves, you can see. So I'm not going to go into this risk management aspect of for now. I'm going to show the weekly bias for Euro USD. So this is what I'm expecting for Euro USD. So you can do your own research though, but this is what I'm expecting for Euro USD. The market can still choose to break this trend line and make use of this. Can choose to break this trend line, probably break it and retest here. But I'm seeing a triple bottom 1, 2, and 3, 4 dropping. So that's it, guys. For you can go to the 1 hour time frame to see more. Please pay attention to this analysis and don't miss a thing, and try to watch to the end. So you can see that's it, looking good and nice for the sales. Make sure you get your entries based on how you enter your market. Make sure you get confirmations before you enter the market. So let's go to the next pair. We're looking at GBPUSD, the British pounds. This is the British pounds USD. So we go to the monthly time frame to see what the market is looking like overall. So that's why I recommend FXCM, because it gives you large data for you to see the overall market. So this pair is currently kind of confusing, but not really. So we can see the market is looking like a downtrend, a bullish market overall, but you can see we have a very strong support level, like a bounce, like double bottom here. Market bounce here, and whatever we get from the double bottom, we expect the markets to go like this. We're expecting something like this to happen. If this was a smaller time frame, at least we're expecting this to happen because of the double bottom here. but we don't know when it's going to start buying or break the trend line. So what we're going to do is to dive in deeper into the market, go into the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame is looking kind of good. So let's work with what we have. Let's look for a trend. So we're going to pick our trend 2 and start from the support level, trying to touch. I think we have a nice looking trend here. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 touches here, and let us see what we can find on the resistance trend touch. So we have 1, 2. I'll probably just cater for touches very well. Make sure that it's looking accurate and nice. It does not form what is not on the trend line. So we can see this is looking good. So we have first touch, first, second, third, and fourth touch here at the moment. So for this, currently we don't really need this. We don't really need it. Can be so, it can be like this, but currently we don't really need this support trend touch, so it can be drawn anyhow. But for now, let's work with what we have here. So let's dive in deep to the daily time frame to see the closer markets. Let's see what's going on. So let's see what's going on. Just cater for touches very well. Let's see if we can get an inside trend touch here, because the market kind of looks bearish, and I don't want to correlate pairs. I don't correlate pairs. I treat every pair the way they are. I treat what I see in the market. We don't correlate pairs here on double word FX. I don't correlate pairs. I trade what I see in the market, not what other pairs are doing, because of Euro USD is selling, so I cannot be selling GBPUSD because they are two different pairs. So USD can be stronger to Euro USD, but GBP might be stronger than USD at the moment. So for now, let us see if we can find any trends to support our analysis. So we have this trend line here looking good. I think you can see. So what we do is cater for more touches. The market touches the most is what we use for our analysis. Some trend touches might be. Let's zoom in to see clearer. This is the D1 time frame. So we have more touches here. They might not be perfect, but to be sure that market is bouncing on different levels. So you can see we are having this one, we're having the touch. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 touches here. Make sure they're touching, because to avoid some fake out in the market. So I suggest this is a fake out. Market breaks back and go inside, went in back and went outside and came back into the market. So that's it, guys. I think British pounds is currently in a bearish market movement right now. I think we're expecting sales in the GBPUSD market, to be precise. Expecting sales. So maybe the market wants to, let's go back to the weekly time frame. Maybe the market wants to retrace first before, maybe retrace to this point, maybe create another touch before bouncing off. Okay, but this is currently a bearish market, so expecting some bearish movement here, and the market is doing an umbrella reversal like this before going down, maybe touching it again before bouncing. But currently we on the 1 hour time frame, you are seeing a selling market. You're seeing the sellers are more in the market, expecting sales in the market on GBPUSD. So guys, I hope you find this informative, and if you're not finding it informative, make sure you drop your comments and tell us where the error is and what you learned from the video. So if you like content like this, please be sure to subscribe to help the channel grow. Don't be, I cannot say don't be try to share information though. That's what I'm trying to say. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share, and turn on post notification button, because I'm going to be dropping daily analysis on USD CAD, mainly for the daily market analysis. So we're going to drop in the videos here back to back. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.